Consider a career in manufacturing because there's a lot of benefits as far as compensation and health care, retirement. Manufacturing has really transcended from what it was in the 70s and the 80s. It's not dirty. It's not going to be, I do this job for the rest of my life and I never learn anything new. Manufacturing, to be competitive in today's business, you always have to be innovating. And you have to have employees that want to innovate with you, learn new skills, learn new processes, and continue to grow throughout their career. It's not, I just come to work and for 40 years I do the same thing. I come to work and for 40 years I'm constantly evolving, I'm constantly developing my skills, and I'm constantly learning something new so that I can continue throughout my career.